Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I was here at Costco for grocery shopping. I needed few items, so I thought I should share with you as well my small little trip. Let me know if you guys would like to watch these or more often here on my channel. I am a little bit nervous because I have never done these before, but let's begin you guys. So I'll show you what new they have and also what I have grabbed this time. So they had these new here ultimate throw. These are super soft and good quality, and it comes in a lot of different prints patterns for only 16.99 each, and these are really very good quality, I want to say. So I have grabbed one from here for me. This print right here I have grabbed for me. For Christmas stuff, they had these new here. These are Hallmark Disney Mickey icon ornament set of 4 for 26.99. I love these colors, very pretty and vibrant. Also, they had these hand decorated glass ornaments, 18 piece in two different colors, gold and white, and also they had this one as well. These are here for 25.99, and I love this white and gold so much. They also had this Disney animated tree with music and lights. How cute it is, you guys, look at it. This was for $100. I love that little elephant on the top, super cute. Also, they had these character ladies two-piece lounge sets, very affordable for only 16.99. They had these Harry Potter ones and also Mickey ones. I couldn't find the size medium for me, so I grabbed the size large in this one right here. These are super soft and cozy. I love pajamas so much, so I grabbed these for me. I always buy this brand of yogurt here at Costco. This yogurt tastes amazing, and it is also very affordable, and it's very good quality as well. So this is whole milk yogurt for only $4.69. It was a little bit marked down. I also grabbed this Beyond Meat plant-based patties. It has 10 patties for 11.99. It was marked down here. I have never tried these before, so I wanted to give these a try. It has no soy, no gluten, and it's vegan. Looked really nice. I have not tried it yet, but I'm excited. I always buy eggs and bread and milk here at Costco. So this brand Kirkland is very affordable here. So these are organic brown eggs, grade A, 24 count for $6.79. And also I grab my milk here as well. So this is also from brand Kirkland, organic A2 whole milk. It has 3 cartons inside for $11.59. I also picked up these bagel bites, 72 counts. These are mini bagels for only $8.99, which is great, right? You get 72 pizzas inside. And also I picked up this Healthy Choice organic fudge bars. I always buy it here at Costco. It has 18 bars for $11.99, and these mini cream puffs for $9.99. I highly recommend this brand, you guys. These are super delicious. I always have it in my freezer. One of my favorite snacks ever. The cream is also really delicious and fresh, and you get 120 puffs for $8.99. And also I all the time grab these type of items here at Costco. These are organic pineapple chunks, no sugar added. And also I grab my salmon here as well. So I grabbed this. And Costco have very good bakery items as well. So this time they had these stone fire mini naans. I have never tried these before, so I grabbed this pack was for only $3.99. And also I all the time grab my bread here as well, and I really like this brand, Nature's Own. So I grabbed this 100% whole wheat bread, and this is for only $4.19 for 2 packs. And their multi-grain bread is also really nice. It tastes really fresh. So this 2 pack of multi-grain bread is for $6.99. I grabbed this as well. Then I grabbed this grains and seeds oatmeal variety pack, 20 pouches for $14.99. They had this markdown here. This is Neutrogena Luxurious Body and Hand Cleansing Gel in three iconic scents for 14.99. Before it was 19.99. So this is pretty much it what I have grabbed this time. Not a lot of items, just because I have already shopped for fruits and veggies yesterday here at Costco. I live nearby Costco, that's why I don't mind coming here again and again. Let me know if you guys enjoyed watching this. I would love to do more often here on my channel, because I love shopping at Costco and I spend hours and hours in this store. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.